gonna break. I promise, you're not gonna break. Don't be afraid, that's the purpose. Trust in yourself there. Hold it, hold it. I'm not gonna let you go. Plus, you're a colleague, I don't want to destroy you. Come on. Hold it. Don't be afraid. Head backwards. Don't hold me with your feet. Yeah. Straight arms. C5 coccyx. Right there. Yes. Heart. Make the noise if you find it. Make the noise. Or you don't make the noise or whatever. Just stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Shoulders back, yes. Straight arms. Don't hold me with your feet. Yeah, keep it, keep it. You have to have the impression of falling. You're not gonna fall. You're not head up. Stay up, stay up, stay up, stay up, and hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it.